Do you know what is constant dollar growth rate and why do we see it for analyzing certain businesses? If you know the answer, comment your answers in the comment section. If you don't, here is a solution for you. So let's imagine there is an XYZ business and it gets a $10,000 order from an export order from an American company. So it got order on 1st March and it delivered on 10th March and it gave a credit period of 1 month, let's say. On 10th April it received an payment, but upon receiving the payment it received $10,000. But in between, if you think about it, there might be a depreciation or appreciation of the currency, due to which its earnings might have got affected. So that's exactly where constant dollar growth rate comes in. So the benefits or the cost that a business has to incur extra because of the currency exchange rate fluctuations, constant dollar growth rate, what it basically does is it removes those effects. So it shows us what would have been the revenue growth of the company if there were no exchange rate fluctuations, because exchange rate gains and losses are not the does not show the business trends. Because if there is, let's say, too much of the depreciation due to which the growth is too much, it's a temporary growth or a function of not a business efficiency or business profitability. It is a function of just exchange rates and does not show business strength. So that's why it is important to see certain businesses with constant dollar growth rate lens, because that shows that how much business has grown, not how much business has gained or lost due to the currency exchange rate fluctuations. So hope you understood it and learned something valuable from it. Do comment your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you.